guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add Visa card on Tango so that you can withdraw your money with it. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. All right, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon or avatar icon at the top left corner. All right, so just go ahead and do that, and then from here you have to scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to find this get money option. All right, click on that, and what you have to do next is to click on the add withdraw method. All right, go ahead and click on that, and you find all these withdrawals method right here. Go ahead and click on Visa. Click on the add option right here for Visa, and once you do that, you're going to see the option to add your card holder full name and your date of birth. Right, so I'll just go ahead and enter my full name, and then I'll enter my date of birth. For example, let's say this is my date of birth. Right, let's just use this one for example, and click on next, and then you have to enter your card number, the expiry date, and the security code at the back of your card, and then you can now click on the connect button at the bottom of your screen, right here. Right, so once you do that, your card will be connected. All right, so that's the guys on how to add your card. All right, this card is a prepaid card, right? So you have to get a prepaid card and connect it just this way, and it will be connected. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to add your Visa card on Tango. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.